Struggling to automate repetitive desktop tasks? Imagine an AI that controls your entire computer for you. Master Claude's computer use feature to automate file management, app navigation, and multi-step workflows, even remotely from your phone, saving you hours every week. The problem? Why this matters. Manual, repetitive desktop tasks waste valuable time and focus. Most AI agents are limited to browser interactions or specific integrations. Claude's computer use transforms it into a true digital assistant, directly controlling your mouse, keyboard, and screen. Getting set up. Enable Claude's computer use permissions requires specific Claude code/cowork setup. Ensure necessary desktop connectors like Slack, Google Drive are active for fallback. One crucial gotcha. Start a Claude code session on your desktop first to enable remote control. Core technique, step by step. Step 1. Initiate a task by explicitly telling Claude what to do, e.g., open Word and summarize file X. Step 2. Observe Claude's actions on screen. Intervene if necessary. It asks for per-app permissions. Key variable. The more detailed your initial instructions, the less intervention Claude will need. Advanced tips and variations. Power user trick 1. Use the remote control feature to hand off desktop interaction to your phone. Power user trick 2. Leverage Claude's learning from previous work for increasingly efficient tasks. Combination with another tool. Integrate with Claude's co-work projects for persistent context across sessions. Real-world results. Concrete example. Claude opens a local document, summarizes it, and drafts an email in your desktop client. Time saved. Automate data cleanup, file organization, or multi-op reporting, saving hours daily. Use cases. Summarize local meeting notes, find specific files, automate software testing, or manage complex local data. Subscribe to AI Tips for more practical AI tutorials.